weather. It's gorgeous out, and kicking off Fall Stars weekend, 9 graded stakes races, over $3.1 million in purses. I mean, what a perfect way to start the Keeneland Fall Meet. Keeneland's meets are so short that there's just this sense of anticipation and also a sense of urgency that you have to go out and experience it. And really, when you look around and you see people in their beautiful Keeneland wear, they throw on the bow ties, throw on today's sundresses, and just experience fall racing at its best.